Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I will tell you an article inspired by Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, entitled Embracing Creativity and Innovation in the Age of Artificial Intelligence. First of all, introduction. In an ever evolving world driven by technology and automation, the words of Jack Ma, the co founder of Alibaba Group, hold great significance. Ma once said, "Don't be the smartest because computers can do that better. Be the person who is more creative and innovative." This quote encapsulates a crucial message about the future of human work and the skills required to thrive in an era dominated by artificial intelligence. While AI continues to advance rapidly, there are certain jobs that remain irreplaceable by machines. In this article, we will explore how we can cultivate irreplaceable skills and discover professions that rely on uniquely human qualities. Next, the importance of creativity and innovation. Creativity and innovation have always been essential human qualities. In the face of AI's growing capabilities, these qualities become even more vital. Computers excel at data processing, logical analysis, and repetitive tasks, but they struggle to replicate human imagination, empathy, and critical thinking. By harnessing our creativity and cultivating innovative thinking, we can position ourselves to embrace job opportunities that require these distinct human abilities. Next, we will talk about jobs that are irreplaceable by AI. Number one, creative professions. Occupations in the fields of art, design, literature, music, and fashion heavily rely on human imagination, emotional intelligence, and aesthetic sensibilities. The abilities to think beyond conventions, express oneself artistically, and resonate with others on an emotional level remains difficult for AI to replicate fully. Number two, complex problem solvers. Certain roles such as strategists, consultants, and researchers involve addressing intricate challenges that demand a combination of analytical thinking, deep domain knowledge, and creative problem solving. These professions require an understanding of context, nuanced decision making, and adaptability, making them less acceptable to automation. Next, number three, relationship-oriented careers. Jobs that involve building and maintaining interpersonal connections, such as therapists, social workers, and customer service representatives, rely on empathy, compassion, and the ability to understand and respond to human emotions. These professions require the human touch and intuition that AI struggles to match. Next, how to develop irreplaceable skills. Number one, embrace lifelong learning. Stay curious and commit to continuous learning. Engage in activities that stimulate your creativity, such as reading, attending workshops, exploring different art forms, and experimenting with new ideas. Expand your knowledge and skills to stay ahead of the curve. Next, cultivate emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage emotions, both in oneself and others. This skill enables effective communication, empathy, and relationship building. Invest time in developing self-awareness, active listening, and empathy, as these qualities are difficult for AI to replicate. Next, nurture critical thinking. Sharpen your critical thinking skills by practicing problem-solving exercises, analyzing complex situations, and engaging in intellectual debates. Encourage yourself to think independently, challenge assumptions, and explore multiple perspectives. This skill set allows you to approach problems from unique angles, distinguishing you from AI algorithms. Next, adaptability and resilience. Cultivate the ability to adapt to changing circumstances and embrace new technologies. Being open to change and demonstrating resilience in the face of challenges will help you navigate the dynamic job market and stay relevant in a world driven by AI. So, for conclusion, as artificial intelligence continues to advance, it is crucial to recognize the value of human qualities that cannot be easily replicated by machines. Embracing creativity and innovation will allow us to explore new career paths and contribute to areas where our unique strengths shine by continuously honing our irreplaceable skills such as creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and adaptability. We can confidently navigate the changing world of work and remain indispensable in an AI-driven society. Remember, it is not okay. Sorry, there is some technical errors. I forgot to delete the last sentence. Okay, that's all from me today. I hope this video will inspire and motivate you to get 1% better every day. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe down below. Don't forget to like, share, and comment in the comment section. Okay, that's all from me, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.